Oosh.
Jesus. She's shushing Jesus.
He need to shut up. He don't know no better.
Alright, so I'm gonna tell him. Yeah, we going in on the cloud 11 to the pearly gates. We on our way to heaven. So everybody, please go ahead and take a second. Bow your heads and pray to the Lord with the reverend. This goes out to everyone who ever told you different. Sit back, relax, and let me flow for a minute. When you hear what we gotta say, everything irrelevant that they gotta say. Cause we open your eyes to see what's really going wrong with this industry. All these rappers out here praising the devil G. Had the nerve to scream, thank the Lord all you want. Cause Jesus knows who really rides for his team. The ones who really get down on bended knees. Look up and ask another look at the D. Ain't afraid to get up early on Sunday. Walk right up into church stunting. Tiptoe dressed in their best outfit. Cause we know one day we will see him again. So we look our best every time we praise him. So we can walk right through them gates, kid. So don't doubt him, no, not ever. No one could ever love you better. Unconditional love that fits like a sweater. Yeah. That's what we gotta say. That's why we look up to the sky and thank the Lord. I don't know what today seems kinda hard. That's how we know that we got it. But if you don't believe, then you're never gonna get it. 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 That's why we look up to the sky and thank the Lord. I don't know, but today seems kinda hard.